Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli nazi inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
The person that I saw yesterday, he's not that he's not, but it's not my brother that I know. That's not my brother that I know.
Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lisufutalo ukuthi kuthinteka abase-Ethiopia, abase-Malawi kanye noyedwa waseNingizimu Afrika okukholakala ukuthi yibona bebethumba umnikazi wesinye seyiphaza eFosloras umazi ukubheka osegcina etholakele.
We then did a post-mortem on the crocodile. During that we found the human remains, which we believe that is the person we're looking for.
Amaphoyisa aseMpumalanga athi kuzolindwa imiphumela yolibofuzo ukuze kuqinisekiswe ukuthi izithe zomzimba womuntu ezitholakele ibilini zengwenye emfuleni iKomati kungenzeka yini ukuthi ngezowesiliso beminze kulomfula ngeledlule.
What does it cost to send 15 PKTT members here to hire the cars, the hotels, the food? They could have given that job to a local unit who could have come to my house and arrested me. Klar.
Umholi we-National Colour Congress uFadil Adams usesola umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uJanene uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngokugaselwa kweminye yemizi abehlala kuye eKapa njengoba ethi ithimba eliphenya ngamacala okusocwa ngokwesombusazwe elivela KwaZulu-Natal belithunywe ukuthi liyombopha. Naba kamakhweli ngonyama uMahlome ehlathini njengohlanyo semehlweni amadoda libumbene lomkhothi ihora uza kwethu sitolekela ngolwimi lwempawu uSnoviyo Fihlanda ngihlale kuzona ithondo mbukeli nazi indaba. Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lisufutalo ukuthi kuthinteka abase-Ethiopia, abase-Malawi kanye nomuntu oyedwa wala eNingizimu Afrika okukholakala ukuthi yibona bebethumbe umnikazi wesinye seyiphaza eFosloras umazi ukubheka osegcina etholakele. uLisufu bekhuluma nethimba labeyindaba esiteshini samaphoyisa lapha eQagule nokuthi kuzophenywa kabanzi ngenhloso yokuthola ngembangela yokuthunjwa kukakubheka.
If people that committed this criminal activity are South Africans or foreigners, we can confirm it's a combination of the two.
Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa esifundazweni Lieutenant General Tommy Mthombeni uthi kudingeke ukuthi kufinqwe imkhono kukhishwe zonke izinsiza zabakwaZidlodlo kuthungathwe ukubheka.
Crime intelligence as a key stakeholder, community policing forum, and of course communication. We also had to try and use technology as there was no cell phone in his possession.
Umthombeni uthi isifundazwe sinenkinga ukuthi ziyenyuka igameko zokuthunjwa kwabantu.
These kidnappings, Premier, it is a concern within the province. And as the South African Police Service with head office, we're trying our level best. We're having an anti-kidnapping team within the head office.
Umndeni uthi isisulu namanje sisakhungathekile ngemva kwalempica badala esiyehlele.
The person that I saw yesterday, he's not that he's not, but it's not my brother that I know. That's not my brother that I know. They just the physical appearance alone. So he's a very soft person, but he's angry.
Amaphoyisa athi ukubheka wathathwa ngabantu ngaseCarnival City eBrakpan wahanjisa endaweni la avalwa khona amehlo wasevalelwa endaweni thizeni. Njengamanje usagcinwe endaweni ephephile ukuzalulame.
Sithanda ukwexwayisa laba abanenhliziyo esheshe izwele ngombiko olandelayo. Amaphoyisa aseMpumalanga athi kuzolindwa imiphumela yolibofuzo ukuze kuqinisekiswe ngezicubu zomzimba womuntu ezitholakale ibilini zengwenya emfuleni iKomati eMpumalanga ukuthi kungenzeka yini ukuthi ngezowesiliso neminyaka engama-59 ubudala ominze kulomfula ngeledlule.
Ngolesibili kwabikwa ukuthi kunemoto ebambeke ngaphansi kwebloho lomfula eKomati emahoreni ambalwa kwatholakala ukuthi umshayeli wemoto ulahlekile. Ngemva kwaloko kube sekusungulwa uphenyo lokuthungatha umnikazi wayo kanti izilwane ezinobungozi kulomfula zenze kwabanzima ukuthi abezimo eziphuthumayo benze umsebenzi wabo.
From my experience, it happened that same night. The thing is, I know this area pretty well. We're working with crocodiles every day of our lives. And, you know, they are predators. So I believe that the same night that when he went down there, I think already that the crocodiles had attacked him.
Emva kwezinsuku ezinhlanu kuthungathwa, ithimba labezimo eziphuthumayo nokutakulo okubalwa nophiko lwamaphoyisa athole ingwenya lapho bekubambeke khona imoto esisulu kanti lokhu kubanike isiqiniseko sokuthi kungenzeka ukuthi isisulu sihlaselwe yilesilwane.
Post-mortem on the crocodile. During that, we found the human remains, which we believe that is the person we're looking for. It will be confirmed with the DNA, but I'm quite certain it is the gentleman that we were looking for.
Umndeni wesisulu sucela isikhathi njengoba usazama ukwamukela isimo.
The family has been here all the while we are busy. They helped us a lot and they supported us a lot in our work. I believe they're taking it hard. Like you would know, if you lose a loved one, you know, you'll take it hard. But I also believe now that because we found the remains, that it will bring some closure.
Ngonyaka odlule amalunga amabili ombutho ezokuvikela amenza kulo umfula eKomati isidumbu zawo zatholakala ngemuva kokuthungathwa izinsuku eziningana.
Umholi we-National Coloured Congress uFadil Adams usesola umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uJanene uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngokugaselwa kweminye imizi abehlala kuye eKapa njengoba ethi ithimba eliphenya ngamacala okusoxwa ngokwesombusazwe elivela KwaZulu-Natal belithunywe ukuthi liyombopha.
Bakalise indlela uMkhwanazi asebenza ngayo njengefana naleyo yengcinezelo ye-apartheid yangaphambili.
They went in there, they took pictures of this woman's ID, they assaulted her 12. Like he's that size. Assaulted him in front of his mother. Pointed rifles at the mother and the father while they did it. Like, what kind of people, what kind of animals are these?
Walile ukuba wenza ulwaphulomthetho olufuna ukuba abanjwe. Uthi akayazi ukuba kutheni ekhutshelwe umsila wengwe wokuba abanjwe.
I haven't committed a crime. Where's the crime? Let Mkhwanazi pull the constitution and show me which crime I've committed. This apartheid servant, this coward, doesn't understand the law. But you know what Masimola did? He gave him a job that allows him to come after anyone that is going after the corrupt policeman.
Ngokuka Adams bekungekho mfuneko yokuba kuthunywe iqela le-PKTT lase KZN ukuba lizokumbamba endaweni yamapolisa engingqi.
Of expense. What does it cost to send 15 PKTT members here? To hire the cars, the hotels, the food. They could have given that job to a local unit who could have come to my house and arrested me. Klar. But let's take it a step further. Why wasn't I just issued a warning letter?
U-Adams uthi sevule amatyala amabini ohlukeneyo ngenxa yesisenzo samapolisa. Uthi sele ebhalele umphathiswa wesipolisa obambeleyo uNjingalazi Firos Kachalia malunga nalomba. Isithethi se-SAPS kuzwelonke uBrigadier Atlenda Mathe uthe amapolisa aza kukhupha imbalelwano kungekudala ngelizama ukuphendula kwezityholo zenziwe ngu-Adams. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingu-Abongwe Khobokana nseParliament.
Uhulumeni waseNigeria uphezu kweinhlelo zokulanda bonke abantu bakuleli yazwe abayimisele ngokuhamba kuleli izwe babuyele kwela kubo. Lokhu kuzemva kwembhikisho eminingane ezweni lonke kulamasonto ambalwa edlule ukuzokalisa ukungenami ngabe ukufika bakuleli ngokunemthetho. Inhlangano i-Nigerian Citizens Association in South Africa ithi uhulumeni wakuleli yazwe uzokhipha izindiza ezizolanda bonke okungabaseNigeria abahlezi kuleli abanesifiso sokubuyela ekhaya. Umengameli walenhlangano uFrank Onyekwelu uthi iningi labantu baseNigeria licasukile njengoba sekuvalwe amabhizinisi alo kanti njengamanje bayimisele ngokugoduka. Abantu bakuleli abaqali ukubhikishela ukuthi abokufika bahambe njengoba lokhu kwenzeka ngonyaka u2008, u2015 kanye nangonyaka u2019. Kanti lokho kwaholela ekutheni kushona abantu kwaphinde kwalimala nempahla. Ikhomishana yezokhetho imele i-IEC siyeluleka amaqembu ezombusazwe ukuthi aphothule inhlelo zawo zokuqoka abazowamela okhethweni lungakapheli untulikazi ukuze makufika usuku lokuvota ezokwazi ukuthumela uhlu lwabo azobe baqokile ngokwezikhundla zamakhansela nezimeya. Le khomishana isho lokho emva kokuthi umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ememezele usuku lokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo oluzobanjwa mhla zezine kuLwezi.
Compliance. Since last year, we have had a number of structured liaison sessions which would be contestants and independent candidates to take them through the requirements, but we will also imminently announce the availability of the nomination system so that parties can start playing on it, familiarize themselves with the system, nominate their candidates in order to meet the deadline after the election is proclaimed, and the Commission has issued a timetable to indicate the critical cut-off date for activities in preparation for these elections.
Sisathi kweyitolo kanti mabe sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthini.
Zezindawo umasipala esiseva wasinika umbane, wasinika amanzi, wasinika itoilet. Yonke into ibisenzeka kwamasipala bebesiza apha and sine voting station.
Izakhamuzi ezakhele umasipala ingquza hile Eastern Cape seyisole umasipala ngokucekela phansi imjondolo yazo ngaphandle kwencwadi yenkantolo. Asiphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zakusihla mbukeni odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi uNdunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi udalule ukuthi kuthinteka abase-Ethiopia, abase-Malawi kanye nomuntu oyedwa wala eNingizimu Afrika okukholakala ukuthi ibona bebethumba umnikazi wesinye seyiphaza iFosloras uMazwi Kubheka osegcine etholakele. Ubekhuluma nabeyindaba ekamla lamaphoyisa lapha eqagule nokuthi kuzophenywa kabanzi ngenhloso yokuthola ngembangela yokuthunjwa kaKubheka. Mbukeli lezi ndaba zatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani ngiyakuthembisa uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Izakhamuzi zasemjondolo elisikisike esifundazweni Eastern Cape seyisole umasipala wazo ingquza Hill ngokucekeleka phansi imjondolo yazo ngaphandle kwencwadi yenkantolo. Izakhamuzi zithi seyihlale kule ndawo ecishe iminyaka emine kanti futhi zathenjiswa izindlu uyena umasipala.
Zalapha zisale Dengwane zingenawo indawo yokufihla ikhanda ngemuva kokuthi umasipala ecekele phansi izindlu zazo. Lezakhamuzi zithi zazithenjiswe izindlu zikahulumeni phambilini.
Item netem kukhona iward committees zezindawo umasipala esiseva wasinika umbane, wasinika amanzi, wasinika itoilet. Yonke into ibisenzeka kwamasipala bebesiza apha and sine voting station.
Izalelwe apha eSgidi, mina ndizalwa ngo1995. Utatomkhulu wami wayefumene indlu apha since wayephangela kwamasipala. Utata uNgozi owayengumeya wafike wasithembisa apha ngoba sizokokhelwa iRDP.
Izakhamuzi zithi bezinethemba lokuthi umasipala uzolinda kuze kube inkantolo ilalela lolu daba ngasekupheleni kwalonyaka. Zithi zinamaphepha senkantolo avimbela ukudilizwa kwezindlu zazo.
Amagqwetha ethu amfonela sikhona bavumelana wavuma naye uba azodiliza athi amagqwetha ethu if ukhona into ephuthumayo maba arrange idate noba ku 2 days. Nyani sazenza zezonto emkhaso wa7 masipala ekuseni njengoba ezofika ngo7 azodiliza ngo7 sangadilize ngo8 ndandingomnye wabantu abayoseva masipala lamaphepha asuke egqwetheni afika athathwa right kodwa kwathi ngo2 sabona kungena inqwaba yesecurity abantu abathethe ilanguage esingayaziyo.
Umasipala ingquza Hill awutholakalanga ukuze uziphendulele kulolu daba kanti izakhamuzi zithi zifuna lusukunyelwe phezulu lolu daba njengoba zingenayo ngisho indawo yokufihla ikhanda.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zasesifundeni Sikhukhune esifundazweni Limpopo zithi ukubuya kwamagugu ngokungemthetho kuyaqhubeka kule ndawo kanti kancane okwenziwa amaphoyisa ukunqanda lesihlava.
Izakhamuzi zasesikhukhune zithi zenyukile isigameko zabantu abamba amagugu emthetho kule ndawo. Ubufakazi buhlezi ubala njengoba imigodi igcwele kule ndawo. Eminye imigodi esetshenziswa yilesigila mkhuba ingaphansi kwemizi yabantu.
Yeah, the crime is very high. Because the illegal immigrant, if the illegal immigrant they may commit a crime, it's too difficult to police to arrest those people.
Indlu yobukhosi besizwe sakaNkowana isole ezinye zezakhamuzi ngokusiza abamba ngokwemthetho.
We've got a lot of illegal immigrants who are staying here, but they are the one who are causing all those things. Although this illegal mining also is caused by ourselves, because the illegal foreigners from Zimbabwe and Mozambique, they cannot just come here and do the illegal mining without authorization of us here.
Umphakathi wona usola amaphoyisa ukusebenzisana nalesigila mkhuba.
if there are allegations of any wrongdoing from our very own members, people must come to us and report this matter so that we are able to act decisively without any fear or favor.
Njengoba kubungazwa usuku lwenkululeko yabezindaba sekuqubuke ukukhathazeka ngokubaluleka kwemithombo yezindaba yomdaba esikhathini sobuchwepheshe besimanje kanye nokwanda kolwazi olungelona iqiniso. Lolu suku lubungazwa minyaka yonke mhla zi-3 kuNhlaba.
Iqala lezosasazo uJeff Molloy unene ngaphaya kweminyaka engama-20 ekucandelo lezendaba. Ngoku odlulisa amava akhe ngokuba ngumhlohli kwiDyunivesithi iWalter Sisulu. Enye yezinto azinikele kuyo kukuxhobisa abafundi bakhe ngezakhono zokuqaphela indaba ezingeyonyani ingakumbi kweli xesha lobuxhakaxhaka olutshintsha rhoqo.
Indaba ezibuxoki yiba yibhizinesi enkulu. Khona amajelo enzelwe indaba zobuxoki. And abantu abaninzi bayakholelwa, abantu abaninzi, and ubone bazi kungenzeka into enkulu ngenxa yezindaba zobuxoki. So ibaluleke kakhulu into esifundisa abafundi bethu intatheli ezizayo uba istory inyaniso indilena uhlulahlula kanje uba istory sibuxoki na okanye sisiso.
Kukho imingeni kweli candelo abo bafundela ukuba zintatheli eziphuma izandla bazibona benekamva eliqaqambileyo.
Journalist ngenjongo zokuba ndifuna ukuxela inyani and inyani ke ayonto efana ifumaneke naphina kweli xesha siphila kulo, especially now that we have social media, your Facebooks, your Twitter, where misinformation ikhawuleza iqhubeke ngakhona okanye ikhawuleze ihambe kakhulu.
Onondaba babongoza ukuba baqhubekeke ngokuzinikela kumsebenzi wabo. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC kwisixeko sakuGompo.
Izangoma zezulu zakwa-South African Weather Service ikhiphe isixwayiso esithi kulindeleke isimo sezulu esishubisa umkantshwa kanye nemvula enamandla kuleli sonto eKapa. Bexwayisa ngokuthi abantu bakuleli dolobha kuzofanele bayilungiselele.
Kulindeleke imvula enamandla namuhla nakusasa eKapa nasezingxenyeni ezakhelene nedolobha.
We're expecting most of the rainfall to fall overnight into tomorrow morning. Then we're expecting a break in the rainfall for the rest of Monday afternoon into Tuesday. And then we have another system coming through, which is called the Kachu flow system. It's expected to affect the Western Cape from Tuesday evening into Wednesday and then extending into Thursday.
Ithimba lezinhlekelele selinxusa abantu ukuthi baqaphele kakhulu ukuze bavikele amakhaya abo.
Some general mitigation measures include clearing gutters, waterproofing and raising structures to limit the ingress of water and around your home to divert water away. Please also report any issues immediately, like blocked drainage intakes, an instance of illegal dumping, as these can make flooding conditions worse.
Yokulekelela abasezindaweni ezithintekile njengasekhaya elitsha.
Is trying to educate the communities on the ground, especially communities that are building in these low-lying areas, that are building on wetlands. Guaranteed, with a little bit of rainfall, you're causing your own destruction.
Kulindeleke ukuthi izulu liqale ukuphenya ngoLwesihlanu.
imbokelo sibeka lapha bese kuphathele zona kusihlwa nakusasa kube kuyathina ngolika Mageba wena usale kahle.